Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable auto chat translation on the Evony application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on this more button down below on the right side of the screen. Then tap on settings. Then click on languages, which is the first option. Scroll down, and if you would like to enable auto translation, then tap on this auto translation button, and here you can select the languages that you would like to enable. They will be marked green. So if one is enabled, then just tap on the relevant ones that you would like to turn on. And basically that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.